Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method on Roblox. So the first step is to launch Roblox and ensure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, you want to go to your account settings. Then from here, you want to select payment methods. Next, you want to wait for it to load. And once loaded, you should see this option, Add Payment Method. So click on Add. And then from here, you now want to enter in your details. So this includes your card number, the expiry date and its security code, as well as a billing email and the billing address. Once you've entered in all the necessary details, you want to tap on Save. And now, whenever you're buying something on Roblox, you can just use that exact credit or debit card to pay for your items. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.